Let us begin with the problem solving for electrostatics. So let us deal with the first question. Two charged particles are placed at a distance of 1 centimeter apart. What is the minimum possible magnitude of the electric force acting on each charge? So over here the nature or the magnitude of charge is not mentioned. So we are considering the minimum possible force is asked. So we are taking the minimum possible charge which can exist, that is the electronic charge. So we are taking charge as 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 Coulomb, and the separation between them is written in this question as 1 centimeter, which we write it as 1 by 100 meter. So for this particular question, we apply the equation F equals K Q1 Q2 by R square, that is E square by R square. And if we substitute the value to get the magnitude of force, we get 9 into 10 to the power 9 multiplied by 1.6 10 to the power minus 19 whole square, and the separation is 1 by 100 whole square. So on solving this value, we get the answer in Newton, which is equal to 2.3 into 10 to the power minus 24 Newton. So let us move to the next question.